Hello, we are gonna be doing a test review for ordinary differential equation. So our first question is solving initial value problem for this problem. So we have y double prime minus 4y minus 5y equals to 0. This is a homogeneous equation. So we can say r square minus 4r minus 5 equals to 0, and our initial value is u 0 equals to 1 and u prime 0 equals to negative 2. So when you factor this, we'll get our minus 5 r minus 5 and r plus 1 equals to 0, r equals to positive 5, r equals to negative 1. So when we put this in the right form, we will get yc equals to, so our equation would be c1 e to the r1 plus c2 e to r2. So yc equals to c1 e to the 5 e to the 5x plus c2 e to negative x. Now we have to insert our initial value problem, y0. So y0 equals to c1 e to the 5 0 plus c2 e to the negative 0. y0 equals to, this would give us 1, so this is going to be c1. There, this is going to be c2 equals to 1. Now we have to find the y prime 0 equals to, so when we find the derivative of this would be 5 c1 e to the 5x minus c2 e to the negative x. y0 5 c1 e to the 5 0 minus c2 e to the negative 0 equals to 5 c1 minus c2. Now we got 5 c1 and c2. We have to use system of equation. This is going to be equals to what? Negative 2. So we got c1 plus c2 equals to 1 and 5 c1 minus c2 equals to negative 2. So system of equation, this will cancel out. We got 6 c1 equals to negative 1. Over 6 over 6. c1 equals to negative 1 over 6. And to get c2, we just have to enter this for c1, negative 1 over 6 plus c2 equals to 1. c2 is going to be 1 plus 1 over 6. So that is 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. So our final equation is going to be yc equals to negative 1 over 6 e to the 5x plus 7 over 6 e to the negative x. That would be our final equation. Thank you.